Hi, this is John from NYC. Today, going to review alcohol stove. It's very simple to make. It is super get alcohol stove, but I made it with Coke can. I made with 7.5 ounce Coke can. You'll cut it out, put it low, and you put holes in it, just like a cat can stove. And there you, there you have it. It's very simple. And I'm going to use approximately 1 ounce of the alcohol. Okay, I don't know, you guys be able to see it. It's at the 1 ounce. One ounce is approximately 30 milliliter. So you guys know how much it is. And what you'll do is light this up. Okay. And what I'm going to do in this pot, I'm going to put some water in there. I should say approximately about 2 cups of water. I'm gonna shut off the light. Show you guys what the flame look like so. And you don't want to put on top of it right away. If you just put it on right away, it's gonna shut off the flame. And as you notice, I'm gonna pull it up. There's still flame going on. I don't know, you guys can't see it, but I guess you guys are gonna have to take my word for it. Okay. And once you put it on, like so, and you could boil the water. But let's see how long this gonna take. Jesus, I didn't bring the stopwatch, so it wouldn't make any sense for me to use the stopwatch at this time. I'm gonna let's see. I'm gonna put it up a little bit. Let's see. It needs to heat up the yeah. Well, it's going, but it's still all fairly low, and it's not center. Okay, it's center now. Okay. Um, let's see how long it will take. I would when I boil the water, I would usually put a top on to boil this thing faster. But since I have to show you guys, this actually works. So I'm not going to use the top at all. Let me get it to one side. And as you notice, I mean, the can is very weak and flimsy. It's an aluminum can, the regular Coke can. But when you cut it down low like that, it is strong enough to handle the simple aluminum pot and 2 cups of water. So this is one of the very easiest and simplest alcohol stove you can make, which is using a regular soda can and put a bunch of holes in it. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but there's a very steam coming out of the pot very lightly. By the way, guys, while waiting for water to boil, I have a question for you guys. I was thinking about doing a like alcohol stove or some other type of stove that you can use in an emergency situation at home. If you guys want to see it, please put it in the comment section so I know to do it or not. If there is no correspondence from that, I guess I don't know. If I feel like doing it, then I'll do it. If not, so be it. But if somebody said to do it in an emergency situations, then I'll. Okay, fire is about to be out. I think water was boiling, but I don't think it was rolling boil. But flame is gone. Okay, guys. When I tried it when it was like about 60 degrees, it was working. Today it's like 32, 33 degrees. So I think there's a lot of factor here. It's definitely much colder today. I think that's the reason we didn't see the rolling boil. But I'm surprised that the alcohol stove was burning a whole lot more than 15 minutes on 1 hour. That's something new. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Well, till next time. Bye.